Everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay in our Easy Breezy kitchen. So today we're on the patio. It's such a beautiful day here in San Diego. I'm going to show you a super simple Easy Breezy appetizer. 3 ingredients. We're going to start with jumbo shrimp. It's easier with the jumbo shrimp. And I'm going to take a piece of prosciutto. On that prosciutto I'm going to lay a basil leaf. I'm not seasoning the shrimp with salt and pepper because the prosciutto has so much salt I think we're good to go. So all we're going to do is lay these down. I'm going to put my little shrimpy guy here, wrap him around, and the prosciutto sticks to itself, so it's almost going to be like glue. I've already made a few, as you can see. Let's do one more. Then all we're going to do with these guys is pop them on the grill. So let's finish this one up. Oop. Super simple, huh? Okay, we'll take it over to the grill and I'll show you what else to do. Okay, I've preheated my grill, of course, and I've oiled it. Let's put these little puppies on here. We all know shrimp's not going to take too long. I'm going to say, my goodness, maybe 2 minutes aside. Okay, let's close it up. We'll give them a couple of minutes, then we'll flip them. Okay, they've cooked on one side, let's give them a flip. Okay, it's been a couple minutes per side. They should be done. Let's give it a check. Ooh, look at these guys. Check this out. So see how the prosciutto's got nice and crispy and tightened up around the shrimp? To hold the basil in. Let's get these guys off here. Cute little packages. You could do this with scallops too. I think that would be pretty tasty. You could actually do it with fish. Any kind of white fish would work fine. So let me show you how we're going to plate these guys and serve them. Okay, so look how I'm going to plate the shrimp. I put them on a pretty wooden board. I've got some beautiful figs, some beautiful peaches, the end of the season peaches. We'll add a few more pretty figs up here. The color just plays off the shrimp so well. Maybe a little bit of basil to tell them what's to come inside that shrimp. And I don't know, I think that's like a really pretty presentation. What do you think? And it's so easy breezy.